I'm sorry, you guys, that I didn't get a better view of this room. I kind of had to sneak in after these people left the train, but I wanted to show you this room obviously has a lot more room. There's a sink right there in front, a lot of seating area, the bed up above. When you first walk into this room, there is a little bathroom right here. And I didn't get to show you guys too much of it. I had my camera on my backpack in front of me, but you can see the bed overhead, little ledge right there that you can place things on, a lot of seating area, plenty of storage. Above the sink, you do have a little area for toiletry items. So that's pretty much the room. This is the community bathroom. As you can see, you have a sink, a toilet. Pretty much that is all that is in this bathroom, but there is a good amount of room to move around. You do have a mirror, there is a hanger on the door there, but it's a pretty decent sized bathroom for a train. This is the community shower. Plenty of towels, all the towels you could ever need. When you get into this shower, the shower head does have the hose adapter to where you can use it if you want to. The way the shower works is you push the button on the top and then turn the water on. There's plenty of room for your toiletry items. You have a large mirror and plenty of counter space. Lots of room to move around in the shower.